Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you about the easiest ways to get rid of migraine headaches super quickly. This will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do to hopefully get rid of your migraine headaches really fast. Alright, without further ado, starting off with number 1. Number 1 is go to a dark, quiet room. So literally, one of the best things that you can do is go to a dark, quiet room. And I know my voice is super loud, so as you're watching this, if you're experiencing a migraine headache, then once you're done getting these instructions, you want to make sure to not listen to my voice because my voice is super loud. You want to do the opposite. You want to go to a dark, quiet room. Now, alternatively, if you're in a position or an area where you're in a light place, but you can close your eyes like safely and comfortably, then you can close your eyes and try and like put your fingers over your ears to get some quiet. That will work too, but make sure you're in a position where you can do that safely and comfortably. Make sure you're in a position where you can do that safely and comfortably. Obviously, just make sure you're being safe and comfortable as you are doing that. Okay, so go to a dark, quiet room. It will immediately start to bring down the migraine level. It should. It's not guaranteed. It might not work, but it should immediately start to bring down your migraine by going to a dark, quiet room. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is cold or warm pack on your forehead or neck. So it really just depends on you. A cold or a warm pack will both work, in my opinion, equally as well, whether it's a cold pack or a warm pack. It's up to you. Some people like cold packs more, some people like warm packs more, but I think it's essentially the temperature change. From what I understand, it's a temperature change that will hopefully help get rid of the migraine. So you want to experiment. Maybe it's going to be on your forehead that works well. Maybe it's going to be on your neck that works well. Maybe it's going to be on both your forehead or your neck that work well. And, you know, essentially you want to get a cold pack or a warm pack and put it on your forehead or your neck or both of them. And you want to, you know, make sure you're putting it on, but then removing it. So like put the packs on your forehead or your neck or both for like, I don't know, 10 to 15 seconds, and then you can remove them for, you know, about 30 seconds. Put them on for 10 to 15 seconds, then remove them for about 30 seconds. Try that for a couple of minutes and see if that works. It should hopefully bring down your migraine level really quickly if it's working the way that it should. It should work really well. I from what I understand, I don't get migraines often, but for the people who do get migraines, I've heard from many people that this works really well. All right, moving on to number 3. Number 3 is drink quite a bit of water. Now, you don't want to chug a ton of water because that might make your body uncomfortable, but drink quite a bit of water. Meaning, like, I would say, like, drinking a few hundred milliliters is totally fine. Like 200, 300, 400 milliliters, totally fine. Even 500 milliliters is totally fine. I wouldn't drink more than that at once because it might have an adverse effect on your migraines. But experiment. Don't drink it super fast. Just kind of drink like a couple sips, a couple sips of water until you've had a few hundred milliliters. And once you've had 200-300 milliliters, you should, hopefully, the hydration should help your migraine decrease a little bit. Moving on to number 4, and don't, like I said, don't drink too much. Before I move on to number 4, with regards to drinking water, don't drink too much at once. If you are dehydrated and you want to drink some water, spread it out over the course of like half an hour or 40 minutes or an hour or even 20 minutes. Just spread it out a bit more. That will give you the best chance at hydrating yourself and reducing your migraine and not, you know, maybe like drinking too much water too fast. So yeah, just use your own judgment, but just drink it, you know, to the point where you're hydrating yourself, but not overhydrating yourself too fast. All right, anyways, moving forward to number 4. Number 4 is take some deep breaths. Maybe you need to oxygenate your body, so just... Sorry, I'm fighting a cold, so my nose sounds a little bit stuffy. But take some deep breaths. Just get some oxygen in your body. And by taking deeper breaths than usual, it's going to oxygenate your body, and it will just hopefully give your brain a little bit more of a fulfilled feeling, a little bit more of a relaxing feeling. You know, taking deep breaths helps with many things, and if you have a headache or specifically a bad headache that is a migraine, deep breaths can help you out. So take like, you know, 30 seconds and just take some deep breaths and try and get some extra oxygen in your body by doing that. And by deep breathing, hopefully your migraine will start to come down a bit. Last but not least is number 5. Number 5 is avoid screens if you can. Now, obviously in the modern day and age, it's hard to avoid screens, but you want to avoid screens if you can. Screens can make migraines worse. They don't always make migraines worse, but they can make migraines worse because of the light, the brightness that's coming from the screen and the way we focus our eyes on the screen and so on and so forth. So avoid screens if you can. If you can't avoid screens, let's say you're at work and you have a screen in front of you, you need to have that screen in front of you, then try and reduce it in terms of like maybe take breaks from the screen time, or maybe, dim the screen, so reduce the brightness of the screen. Whatever you can to just make the screen less impactful on your eyes, try and do that. Okay? And that's it. Hopefully these things will help you get rid of that migraine super duper quickly. And that is truly all I have to say. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.